Good morning everyone, I'm Aakshyanie of class 10C. Today, I just want to talk about a photo that has been trending on Instagram. It's none other than the picture of leaders from BRICS. Really a historic embrace of unity and progress. In a time when global dynamics are rapidly shifting, leaders Narendra Modi, China's premier, and President Putin come together to symbolize the power of collaboration. This heartfelt moment captures the essence of new alliance among India, China, and Russia, three growing economies determined to support each other in the face of external pressure. As the world grapples with challenges, including trade tensions and geopolitical conflicts, this trio stands united in the commitment to mutual growth and development. Their partnership represents a shared vision for a more balanced and equitable global landscape where nations can thrive together rather than be divided by external influences. Let this image remind us that unity and cooperation can pave the way for a brighter future. Together, we can overcome obstacles and create a world that prioritizes peace, prosperity, and progress for all. Thank you.